Great day everyone, this is Heidi. In this video, let's take a glimpse of what had happened or what is happening in the Southern Running Man fan meeting held in Manila, so please keep on watching.
Let's go! Okay, we feel you guys. We are one with you kasi dream na namin to na makilala sila, makasama sila. We are here on stage and finally it happened. Nagpapasalamat rin kami sa inyo lahat for being here with us.